Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making sure you have an admin account and a recent restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once done, close File Explorer and any shell extensions managers. Next, press Windows plus R, type regedit, and press Enter to open Registry Editor as admin. You need to navigate carefully because this is where Explorer reads namespace entries. Make sure you understand the key path you will edit before changing or deleting any values. Now, locate the CLSID keys that represent Linux distro mounts or WSL entries. These often appear under HKCR\CLSID and HKCU\software\classes. Once found, export each key to a reg file so you can restore if needed, then delete the Linux-related CLSID keys and associated shell folder subkeys. Make sure to remove any namespace entries under Explorer/desktop/namespace that reference the GUID. This removes the visible Linux item from File Explorer's navigation pane and prevents re-registration on restart. To finalize, restart Explorer from Task Manager or reboot Windows so the registry changes take effect. If the Linux entry still appears, make sure no virtual disk is mounted and run shell xview to disable related shell extensions, then repeat the registry check. If Explorer misbehaves, import the reg backup you exported earlier or boot into safe mode and revert the changes. One key troubleshooting tip: always restore the exported registry keys if deletion causes system instability, then seek targeted fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.